is the derivative of 5? Some students say 1, some say 5, but the correct answer is 0. Let's see why. The derivative measures the rate of change of a function. It answers one fundamental question: how fast is the function changing? Understanding the derivative of a constant is one of the first building blocks of calculus. If a function never changes, its rate of change must be 0, no matter what the constant is. Think about the graph. If f of x equals 5, the graph is a perfectly horizontal line, as we can see here in red. Since the graph never rises or falls, the slope is 0 everywhere. The slope of a horizontal line is the geometric proof that the derivative of a constant is 0. Here is the rule. The derivative of constant c with respect to x is equal to 0, where c is any constant. This rule applies universally. For integers, for example, if I have the derivative of 7 with respect to x, that will be equal to 0. For negatives, the derivative of negative 12 with respect to x will also be equal to 0. And irrational numbers alike. The derivative of pi, for instance, with respect to x is equal to 0. All constants have a derivative of 0. Consider the following derivative. The derivative of 3x squared plus 7 with respect to x. In order to find the derivative of 3x squared, we'll apply the power rule. That will be equal to 3 times 2x, which is 6x. And the derivative of 7 will be 0, because 7 is a constant. Therefore, our final answer will be equal to 6x. Only the variable term remains in the final answer. Here's a common mistake. The derivative of 5 with respect to x equals 1. This would imply the graph is increasing, but a constant line has no slope. Students sometimes confuse the derivative of a constant with the derivative of x, which equals 1. A constant does not change, so its derivative must be 0, not 1. Here's the key takeaway. The derivative measures change. A constant never changes. A horizontal line has 0 slope. It neither rises nor falls at any point. Therefore, the derivative of any constant is 0, always, without exception. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to keep learning with us. And don't forget, math success starts when you stay on the fast track.